Hey guys, this is my first tutorial on classes and attachMovie. I'm going to be teaching you, today, how to make like a circle that flies around, goes to the mouse, and yeah, it has a little trail, kind of like this deathly trail. Yeah, so first make a circle, attach it, convert to a symbol, make a movie clip. Call it, let's say, following thing. Yeah, that sounds right. Now, click this, export for action script. I'm using Adobe Flash Professional 5. The identifier, following thing, that's right. Maybe make it with a capital, and the class. We put this class because it lets the class know that that's a name for the class. So yeah, okay. Make another circle as the trail. Okay, convert to symbol. Trail. Let's call it trail. Identifier is trail, and the class name is trail. Yep. So in our library, we got the following thing and the trail. With the linkage, following thing, and yeah. Okay, let's just delete the trail. Okay, now to make a new action script file, click File, New Action Script File. Here we go. Okay, so save this immediately in, it has to be in the same directory as your saved FLA. Okay, we'll call this what's it called? Following thing. Has to be the same as the class name you entered, and that's what we did. Okay, now we type in, to start off the class, and we type in the class name, following thing, and then we do extend movie clip, and little thing, little circly, whatever. That's to start off the class. Okay, save it. And now, what do we want to write? We want to start off an on enter frame function on enter frame. This allows it runs by the FPS rate, so it runs continuously. The class. Okay. So what we're gonna write here is first for it to follow the mouse. So let's make a function, follow mouse, and with the enter the parentheses, and in the parameter you enter, let's say a speed. Let's make a speed, so let's say like the power 5. That's how fast we want it to go. Okay, so function follow mouse, and then we enter power, and the power is 5, so you entered it here, over there. So, and enter. You have to define see, this is the error we get if the class or interface trail could not be loaded yet, because you need this. You need to type in var power. There you go. Anyway, so all you do now is, when it's got the function, this is a power. Okay, so x, which is the following thing's x position, x plus equals, what's it called? Root, which accesses here, x mouse, which is the x mouse position, take away x, that gets the position, so it's like, it's really useful because, yeah. Anyway, divided by power, do the same thing for y, but divided by power. Okay, so now it should follow the mouse when I run it. Yay, it worked. Okay, it's following the mouse, right? Okay, so now we need to make the trail. First, this is what we do. Root attach movie. Now we enter the identifier, which is the linkage name that we entered before, which is trail. So trail with the capital T, trail, and comma for the next one, trail, and that means that's the new name. We'll just leave it as trail, and it can't always have the same name if we want to push it into an array, or so we're going to go plus root get next highest depth. Okay, then we enter another comma for the next parameter, and this just makes it so root get next highest depth. They'll make it definitely overlaying everything until another one with the next highest depth is created. So we'll enter var variable. Let's say trail equals that. Now we can manipulate that in any way, like get its position and enter its class. Yeah, so trail x equals x, trail y equals y. That when it's created, it will straight away go to the following thing, which will kind of make like a little trail effect. So now we'll open trail, which I read that before. Okay, so now we will make like a little fading effect we do on what we did before. Function on enter frame, which continuously runs. Now we want it to fade, so what do we use for that? Alpha. We can use alpha. So alpha, let's say negative equals fading speed plus random 5. We want maybe random 5 because it'll give like a better effect of, instead of like being so like, it'll look better. So we'll go up here, fading speed equals how fast do we want to fade? Let's say like 4. Okay, so now we have to save it. Now we want to do for it to remove, so it doesn't all go laggy when it's not visible anymore. So just say if alpha is less than or equal to, if it isn't, we do it like that, then it keeps fading, but if it is, we want to remove it. So what we do, because this is created with the root attachMovie, we go remove movie clip this as a higher depth. Like if it doesn't, we just go like this unload movie if it's not created, but it was created by root attachMovie, so we just go remove movie clip. Okay, so now this, when we run it, see, it's like a little trail. So that's pretty cool, eh? Now we kind of want to make it like shake a little. Okay, so what we do, shake trail, make a little function again, like we did before in the following thing class. Shake trail, let's say the power is like shaking, the amount is 5, how much it shakes. Okay, so function shake trail power. Let's say amount. So let's say y plus equals amount. Let's say random amount plus random take away random amount. So it's getting an even amount. So var amount, and they'll shape 5. So let's try it out now. See, looks a bit cooler. Maybe make, we need to maybe higher the FPS, it will look better. Let's make it 40. 40 is a pretty good number. Now let's try it. See, it's like a little death effect. So I hope this helped you to learn classes and attachMovie. It's my first tutorial. I'm not very good at it. So yeah.